Alright guys, so we're back on this Escort, and there are the new wires that I got, and here are the new spark plugs. They already have ANICs on them. They've already been gapped. It calls for 52 to 56 thousandths, I think, so that's already been checked. There's the ANICs, the ones that he's taken off. You want to make sure you reuse them because they keep stuff off of things like they shouldn't be on, like the radiator, the valve cover, things that they should not be touching. Now they should be further apart as well. I don't like they're only a couple inches away from each other, so we might redo something there. But so this is pretty straightforward, guys. He's gonna pull the wires off.
Do one at a time. Don't just. I just do one at a time. That's just. I'm gonna start with 4, which is gonna be our shortest.
So he's got the wire off. He's gonna pull the plug out.
I'm just doing one at a time, just so you don't mix anything up.
Yeah, take a picture ahead of time if you don't do this every day like we do. We are trained professionals. Don't try this at home. Well, actually, try this at home. That's the whole reason I'm doing this video for you guys. So.
And I've been doing it so long, but I still do it one at a time because I still get them mixed up.
So there we go. We got the new unburned.
Make sure clipped on good.
Yes, make sure they're clipped on good. That's why we're doing this again, because the previous mechanic did not do that, or there was a problem with the wire and caused an issue.
Go for it.